Hey, it's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2018 GMC Sierra SLE, four-wheel drive crew cab in the Quicksilver Metallic. You got a 3.5-inch rough country lift here. You got the blacked out GMC emblem on the front. Those beautiful BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, 20-inch, and that beautiful updated chromed wheel at the front. So much to see here in this lifted truck, so let's jump on in and take a look around. All cloth upholstery here on the inside. We're going to jump on in and work our way around. You've got the 6-inch chrome assist step door-to-door, power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support, and you got your trailer brake and four-wheel drive select there on the left-hand side. That's also where you're going to find the cruise control, headlights, turn signals, intermittent wipers, and you got some toggles back here on the left to save and scroll through some favorite radio stations. Gear shifter with tow mode, hands-free calling and voice command, audio source selector, volume switch back there, and you got the hazards in the middle. It's going to take us to the touch screen, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display, OnStar navigation, the Wi-Fi hotspot with OnStar, SMS text messaging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto when you plug in via USB with a compatible smart device. Phone icon allows you to pair your devices, use it for hands-free and stored media. MP3 compatible CD player, dual zone climate control, got your AC button there, fan speed operator and front and rear defrosters. Traction control, cargo lamps for the back of the truck, and your hill descent control. Storage, 12 volt and 3-prong power. Locking storage in the middle of that 40-20-40. And the armrest folds down. You've got cup holders. And on the inside, you got a place to plug a device in. You got 2 USB, auxiliary, and 12 volt power. These premium floor mats will come both front and rear, and a double glove box with another USB port, and that one is the top portion will lock. And right there you got the OnStar services again, garage door openers, overhead lighting, and sunglass storage. Final thing up front, we're going to take a look at the key fob. You've got remote start and the alarm fob. Alright, you got the 20-inch chrome wheels there and those BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and look at that. That is some nice looking tire right there. LT 265 60/20 is what the size you're looking at there. KO2 tires. Badging. Body colored mirror caps and body colored door handles. The tailgate steps both sides. The SLE badging. Chromed rear bumper. And here you have the blacked out GMC emblem once again. Locking tailgate. Easy lift and lower. And you got that GMC branded soft tonneau cover. And work our way into the back of the crew cab. Once again, you've got the assist steps and a split bench seat back here, so if you need a little bit more storage space, these seats will come up and down just like so. 60/40. The premium floor mats once again, and you're also getting the factory rubberized floor mats. 12 volt power down below. Nice deep tinted glass throughout. Also got the overhead lighting. Soft touch materials, wood grain trim, and yeah, nice deep tinted glass is going to keep things cooler in those summer months. And that's your look around the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 3.5-inch rough country lift. You got that blacked out GMC emblem and the chromed front bumper, the fog lights, and the front tow hooks. You want to give this one a test drive? We're at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.